Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Here in Gauteng and KZN. Because people in their very nature, if they are not policed, they tend to be anarchic. What made them in Yeovil to want to raid a bottle store if they are fighting over an issue of immigration? The store was closed. They wanted to break in because bafuna batywala. What does that alcohol have to do with the demand at hand? They could not loot like they did in July because the police were deployed and working overtime. At night here at GP, they were throwing stones. The organizers changed from a violence language to a peaceful thing, which was good. But when they started, Jacinta and them, they were calling for violent action. And people who think that they can ascend to a podium and call on people to be violent must be arrested. There's no negotiation with such people. Because we're a lawful country. We're a democratic state. Raise your voice, raise your issues. But do not marshal innocent people. More than 4,000 people, July riots, died. South Africans. Died. And they will never come back. These people, if they are shot, I saw some pictures in Yeovil, a person bleeding and all of that being shot. And there was a rumor, which we followed up with the police, it's not clear. A 17-year-old was killed around Hillbrow. We know what violence can do, but nobody says, you don't have a right to. Even if they protest and say the ANC must not be voted, let's give the people the truth. Because theirs is a short-lived victory and misleading our people.
Bafowethu into ongayazi inkulu kakhulu ngonawe wenganza kwethu kade ngilalele uFikile Mbalula ekhuluma kubuka sengazi ukuthi uFikile Mbalula ukuzwa makuthiwa inhlanzi ishelwa amanzi akayazi into azoyikhuluma ukufika kwakhe namhlanje ezokhuluma ubona nje ukuthi uzombancaza ukuthi beyi-ANC ayikho into noma izinhlelo ababanazo ukuthi bakontrole ama-illegal foreigners ukuthi engabi maningi kangaka eSouth Africa ngoba iyona i-ANC ebisemandleni for 32 years in power kwavele konakala kakhulu ngokuqala and mangayicheck lento ukuthi yayikhona ngale ka-1990 abantu babevese bebaningi kangaka yini. There's no such a thing, babengekho kanje. Uphinde ubheke futhi ukuthi abantu-ke bona base-South Africa babephume beyizinkulungwane njengalabantu abama-illegal because the biggest problem ama-illegal foreigners, not ukuthi the biggest problem ama-legal abantu abangene ngokwamaphepha. Biggest problem ilaba abama-illegal abangenazo incwadi abangenawo amaphepha okuba kuleli and bephinde bethole imisebenzi basebenze kodwa bengenawo amaphepha okuba kulelizwe. That the big problem, biggest problem. Manje-ke kuyathusa and kuyaphoxa ukuthi uzolalela umuntu onjengoFikile Mbalula OSG. Phela i-SG bafowethu i-CEO ye-ANC leyo. uFikile Mbalula uyena oyi-CEO ye-ANC. But akwazi ukuthi ufike umuntu orepresenta such a big organization azokhuluma nje ubone ukuthi yilento evele kuthiwa bla 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 bla. He has no plan. Into esiyibonayo kuphela ukuzogxeka imashi nemashi. Into esiyibonayo kuphela ukuzogxeka uphakela umthakathi and uthi abantu base-South Africa bengatsho ukuthi i-ANC eyadala ukuthi abantu bokufika ama-illegal foreigners ukuthi bagcwale eSouth Africa. Wenzeni ngalokho? As a Congolose nenzeni ngalokho? because ithe uma iqala imashi and mashi iphusha lento bathe uma beqala phela umthakathi bayingena beyiphusha nabagxeka kakhulu and namanje you busy now pushing your narratives abhedayo uqamba amanga afikile Mbalula uzothi uphakela umthakathi lento it is not about imashi and mashi ukhankasela i-IFP wamuzwa egoli ukuthi bengakhohlwa ukuthi bavotele i-IFP kwasha kwacima kanjani nayo ithola igoli ukuthi wamuzwa ekhuluma egoli. Give us one video, give us one video, sinikeze nje ivideo eyodwa eshoyo ukuthi eveza uphakela umthakathi ekhuluma ngokuthi abantu kuzofuneke eJohannesburg bengayikhohlwa i-IFP bavotele i-IFP ukuthi nayo ithathe igoli. Just play one video. So ukukhuluma kaMbalula namhlanje mina ngikubona bekunecessary and bekungabalekile ngoba ayikho into ngempela abeyiphethe ebalekile. Yes, no plan ubekhuluma nje ngoba kufanele naye aphoste sivivaneni ebona kufanele aphoste sivivaneni since ingekho into eyenzile nanokuthi kube nemashi ebe successful eSouth Africa. Imashi ekade ibukelwa phansi kuthiwa mhlawumbe ngeke ize bekhona nanokuthi mhlawumbe kuthiwa kuzoba nodlame and stuff like that. Kwangaba khona dlame akwangavandalizwa lutho yonke into yahamba yaqonda ngononini and we're still saying thank you Mangobese, thank you Phakela Umthakathi, thank you Ngizwe Mchunu ukuthi niyicontrole kahle lento yathula yathi du. We still say thank you to them, but tell us one thing that you Fikile Mbalula and your so-called ANC have you done. What have you done? Nike nayisupporta lo mbono ukuthi ama-illegal foreigners awahambi or nani-busy ngicela ni-busy nikhuluma into ezirong ngelokhuzaneni ngemashi and mashi ukhuluma nje yabona Fikile Mbalula, you just so intellectual stupid. That's a fact. Alikho iqhaza ngibona mina bona i-ANC yenza imistake enkulu ukuthi befake wena as u-SG wayo ngoba ayikho lento yakhona. Ayikho ukuthi uzoba nomuntu okanjena nje obhizi nje oveza khulume noma kanjani yabo. Buka nje okunye futhi aphinde wakusho hayi shame ayikho lento yakhona. Uphinda uzogxeka ugxeka uphakela umthakathi and at the same time uhlanganisa izinto engahlangani. Uyabona ukuthi ukhuluma ngoba kufanele ekhulumile. Uthandlwana iqiniso kanjani? You need to prove it. Akusilona iqiniso ukuthi i-ANC akusiyona eyafaka abantu ukufika eSouth Africa. What have you done? Nika uhulumeni nenzeni ngamabhoda. Sitshele ukuthi yiphi plan ebenayo ukuthi kulokhuza amabhoda. Amabhoda avuleke kanjani? Kwenzeke kanjani? Kwenzeke kanjani? Hayi suka. Dlala ngathi uFikile Mbalula. Futhi nje zama ukuphuma uphele ngoba akukakaze simuzo nanini phakathi umthakathi ekhuluma ngezepolitiki. Wakube ngokusoba this thing has nothing to do with the politics. So now you're going to have to stay away. Abantu bepolitiki abaphume bephele endabeni kamashi and mashi. Abaphume bephele kulama mashi enzakalayo. Phuthula nje Fikile Mbalula ngoba uyasangana.
Yo, guys, Fikile Mbalula has been trending these past few days. Like, he has been trending, okay? After his speech where he was talking about this March and March, that people were ready to do the looting, but unfortunately this time the police were there. And they were very strict. So they didn't manage to do the looting. They didn't manage to cause any violence. And, so South Africans are now coming out, calling him out to say, no, you should just congratulate the March and March and just keep quiet. Don't try to say anything bad because, yes, whatever that you're waiting for did not happen. That's why now you are just trying to come up with some stories and, which... Hey, guys, it's a very complicated one. Because there are some parts I've been seeing videos whereby people were busy looting, especially Xhosa people mostly. Yes, those were Xhosa people because, yes, I saw on the video they were speaking isiXhosa. So they were busy looting and everything. It was really, really bad. Really, really bad. And we thank God that, which I knew, obviously, I knew that where Upegela Mthakathi is, such things will not happen. Where Ujacinta is, such things will not happen. These kind of lootings normally happen like in some places, different places where Upegela no Jacinta no Ngizwe are not there, which these are just opportunists, okay? These are people that have been waiting for this opportunity and they will grab it with both hands to make sure that they use it. Looting in those shops, the shops that they complain or they're being poisoned in, and such stuff. But I do understand the frustration from South Africans to say, please, please just stop. Just stop. If you want to congratulate March and March, just do so and keep quiet. Let's just keep it moving, Jay.